was a dark and stormy night. Everyone was inside eating watermelon.
Why? Because watermelon is one of the most popular foods in the world. It is a berry from South Africa, and its popularity dates back to 5,000 years ago, and its seeds were even in King Tut's tomb.
It is also the national vegetable of Oklahoma, though its classification as a fruit or vegetable is highly debated. In addition to its wild popularity, it is also very healthy. It contains vitamins A, B6, B5, B1, and C, and the antioxidants it contains are shown to prevent cancer.
It is also a very diverse fruit, having about 12,000 varieties. It can be colored in red, pink, orange, yellow, or white. In some places in China, the seeds are dried, roasted, and eaten like nuts.
Japanese farmers can grow them in multiple shapes, such as cubes, hearts, pyramids, and even human faces.
Crazy. So please celebrate National Watermelon Day on August 3rd.